Hey guys, welcome back to another wonderful spiritual tip. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a particular stone that you can use to stop spiritual attack instantly. Okay, if you have been having spiritual attack at home, they are sending spirits to you. They are sending spirit of dead ones to you. They are attacking you in different forms spiritually. You can use this stone to stop that attack instantly. Okay, so make sure that you're going to watch this video to the end so that you know this stone and know how to use it, because it's very important. So many people are going through this problem that the enemy are sending spirit against them. That is why sometimes when you are at home around 12, 11, 1 o'clock in the midnight, you are going to be perceiving a kind of offensive odor around your environment, around your home. Okay, that is because there is a spirit that is operating that particular time in your environment. Okay, so for you to stop that spirit, for you to put an end to that problem, you need this stone. Okay, because this stone, when you mix it with the item I'm going to show you, you are going to chase away that spirit instantly. Even if somebody is sending a spirit from a grave to attack you, use this stone and that spirit will flee. Okay, yes, because that is what some evil people are doing. They will invoke a spirit from a grave that is will come and be disturbing you in your house. You see the spirit of dead ones, dead people coming to disturb you. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Now, this stone is something that is very powerful. Okay, when you have it, you are going to, be grateful that you have it because it's very powerful. Okay, so make sure that you watch this video to the end. And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip in the channel, and I'm saying a very big welcome to you. All I want from you is to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you like this teaching, and I promise you, you're not going to regret subscribing to this channel. Okay, so if you have been attacked by spirits at night, you need this particular stone. Okay, I've made a video about this stone before. Okay, this is called Sumo. Okay, meaning it subdues spirit. Okay, you need this stone. Now, when you get this stone, okay, see it very well. When you get this stone, you are going to, grind it into a powder form. Okay, you are going to grind it into a powdered form. And when you grind it into a powdered form, you mix it together with this back to center perfume. Okay, you mix it together with this back to center perfume. Now, when you mix it together with the back to center perfume, you shake it very well. Okay, you shake it very well. Now, when you shake it very well, you are going to use it to sprinkle in your environment, every corner of your house. And as you're sprinkling it, you say that any spirit that is present in your house, any spirit that is operating in your house, that you are sending it back to the sender, that they should leave immediately. Okay, you command the spirit to leave immediately, that your hands are clean, since you don't have any bad intention towards anybody, that anybody that has bad intention towards you and has sent a spirit to you, let that spirit return back to them. Okay, you sprinkle this, perfume with the stone that they have grinded into powder form, every corner of your house, and I give you not less than 5 minutes, you will never see that spirit, you never perceive that offensive order from that spirit again. Because sometimes there are spirits that has order. These spirits are evil ones, okay? When they're in your environment, you perceive it. There is a particular type of ants that they have their order. You understand? People that are from Africa will understand what I'm saying, okay? So this stone, this item will chase away any spirit that is operating in your environment, even in your place of work, even in your shop, okay? Once that spirit is present, once that attack is present in your environment, this is the stone that you need, and you need this back to center perfume. Mix it together and sprinkle it. Okay. If you cannot be able to sprinkle it, you can as well rub it on your body. Okay. You can rub it on your body. Okay. It's not gonna happen. There is nothing evil. There's nothing bad in it. Okay. So you rub it on your body and you go to your bed and sleep. They cannot be able to touch you. They cannot be able to access, your body. Okay. Some of the people that are being attacked by witchcraft. Sometimes when you wake up in the morning or you see some scratches all around your body. You see some scratches on your face. Okay, this is what you can use. Okay, rub it on your body, and they will never come close to you at night. Okay, so this is something that you need to have in your home. This particular stone and this particular that oil. This is you know a powerful spiritual stone. Okay, so if you need this stone, you can make your order from me. You can ask me on WhatsApp to get this stone because we can be able to find it difficult to get this stone. Yes, okay, based on your location. You understand? You may not be able to find it, but if you can be able to find this stone, that's very, very good. You can use it together with this battery sender perfume to stop any smell that is operating. But you cannot be able to find this stone, chat me up on WhatsApp, okay, so that I'll make it available for you. For those that have been attacked by spirits, okay, at night, witchcraft attack and all of that, get this stone and use it. You'll never regret, okay? So that's what I want to share with you guys in this video today. So if you have any question you want to ask about this teaching, use the comment section. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Okay, and if you're seeing me for the first time on this video, I share spirituality here in the channel. I'm saying a very big welcome to you. Okay, if you want to talk to me directly, please chat me up using the number showing on the screen. That's my WhatsApp number. Okay, so that we'll talk. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.